Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix artifact window disappearing or closing unexpectedly using these simple methods. This will stop your preview cards from vanishing while you are typing or generating a project, keeping your interactive display locked firmly to your screen layout so you can finish your design without losing your place. Step 1. Expand your browser window to full screen width. The first step is to stretch your regular internet browser application so your display monitor has enough blank space to show both your chat text lines and your visual card panel side by side. Move your mouse cursor up to the top right corner of your browser bar. Click the square icon button to maximize your window layout, or grab the outer side edge of your app frame and drag it all the way to the side of your monitor screen. Look closely at the spacing on your screen rows to make sure your browser window fills your entire desktop view completely, because the application features a built-in auto-hiding rule layout to protect your reading space. If your application window is even slightly too narrow or compressed, the system automatically tucks the artifact side panel into a hidden background tray to give you more room to type. Making the window wide forces both layers to sit flat against your background view permanently. Step 2. Check your system's screen zoom settings and text scaling size. The second step is to adjust your web browser's display zoom percentage so the internal page layout does not trigger an accidental window close event. Click the icon in the bottom right section of your browser panel. Look for the line row labeled Zoom and click the minus or plus buttons until your active text percentage reads exactly 100%. Look at your text sizing to ensure that your message boxes are readable and that your border lines do not spill off the bottom row. Because if your display zoom is set too large, like 150% or higher, the system maps get confused. The page layout will mistakenly believe your computer screen is too small to handle the preview display card, which triggers a sudden collapse of your working panel. Resetting the zoom scale keeps your text lines clear and stabilizes your view. Step 3. Toggle your account capability switch off and on again. The third step is to enter your personal account dashboard preferences to refresh the application features, resetting the background connection paths for your active workspace. Move your mouse pointer down to your Profile Initials button in the bottom left section of your dashboard. Click into your Settings panel choice. Open the tab row for Capabilities and click the Artifacts toggle switch to off. Wait 3 seconds and click it back to on. Refresh your entire browser window page by clicking the circular arrow reload button next to your top text line address bar. Because your background feature keys can occasionally build up short-term memory errors during long typing sessions. By completely flipping the feature switch off and on again, you erase those stale background instructions from your local memory card. This forces the server to build a fresh, clean interface connection bridge when you load your active workspace lines. And that's it. To fix artifact window disappearing or closing unexpectedly, you first expand your browser window to its full screen width on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to your settings bar to adjust your display zoom scale back down to 100% on your screen canvas rows. Then you toggle your account feature switches off and on to clear out short-term memory errors from your profile feature. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.